Hello and welcome to another fabulously quick and easy rockin' no waste Refashionista accessory tutorial. Woo, that was a mouthful. Now remember, just a couple of weeks ago I shared how to quickly and easily distress your denim. Now technically, that was a no waste tutorial because today I'm going to show you what to make from those groovy chopped hems. And of course it is denim hem accessories. You can make rings, you can make groovy bracelets. These ones I actually made way back in 2013 or 2014, and they are still going strong, and they honestly are my favorite accessories because they go with just about anything. So let's get making!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy project, all you need are your denim hems, a variety of buttons, a needle and thread, or to make this a no-sew project, your trusty glue gun. I store my vast and varied vintage button collection in repurposed olive jars, and those live in this adorable little wooden crate case thingamajiggy that I scored for only 10 cents at a garage sale. And then all you have to do is, of course, attach the buttons to the denim hems. Now, you could simply glue them on, but I find that stitching them on lasts a lot longer. It's a lot more secure as well. Now, if you're unsure of how to stitch on a button or for anything to do with hand sewing in general, pop on over to my site and pick up my Sewing Basics ebook, and that has everything you could possibly need to get started with hand stitching, as well as loads of upcycling and refashioning tutorials once you get the hang of that little needle and thread. I'll put the link down below. Once you are happy with the amount of buttons on your denim hems, then all you have to do is loop them around your wrists. Et voila, you have some absolutely awesome denim button bangles. So simple, so quick, and totally no waste. You do not get any better than that for a upcycling project. For loads more tips, tricks, and rockin' Refashionista tutorials, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceashattery.com. And as always, while you're there, subscribe to me everywhere. Hit those notification buttons. Check me out on Instagram at Refashionista Sherry for your daily dose of, Refashionista style, pre-loved awesomeness, and sustainable lifestyle tips and tricks too. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.